Welcome to Bel Air Apartments. We're about to enter a birdie floor plan, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome with 1,093 square feet. Upon walking up, you'll see a flight of stairs heading straight to your apartment. You have a coat closet right when you enter. And as you make your way up, all bedrooms, living space are on this same level here. Right when you enter, you'll be in the dining area just off of the kitchen and also open to the living area with a cozy gas fireplace. On this side of the home, you have your patio outdoor space with a beautiful view and the master bedroom. With a large closet and private bath. Across the living space, you have this built-in desk and also another little built-in cabinet space just outside the kitchen. In this kitchen, you have plenty of cabinet and countertop space with the raised bar height area as well. Stainless steel appliances and pantry cabinets tucked away here with the full-size washer and dryer with plenty of storage above. On this side of the home, you have the second bedroom. Which has mirrored closet doors. And it's just across the hallway bath area. The shower over tub, and a large vanity space. And this home comes with a detached private garage. And that's the birdie floor plan with 1,093 square feet. Have a great day.